Okay, so me and my sister found a dead bird in a pool. So I got this stick here, and this may kind of be messed up, but I'm messing with it. Here, you videotape it. There's bugs all over it, and we're pretty sure it broke its neck.
Pick it up from the claw.
I don't know if I can. No. I'm gonna laugh if you fall in the pool.
We do. Do it the eye thingy.
Oh my gosh, why can't I do it? Its head is like being stupid. You're a bad videotaper.
Why?
I don't know, you just are. I'm gonna like poke its eye out. Let's see if I can like kill its eye.
You like put his eye in his head.
Ow, the stick hurt me.
Oh, you're making my eyes water. Are they making mine?
I think I popped its eye.
No!
Paige! If you're gonna scream, go inside. Okay, I killed its eye. I'm pretty sure. See, you're not even like...
Yeah.
Ew, I almost touched the bird. How do you know if you pop the eye or not? But... Oh wait, there we go. Ew.
Open his mouth.
I think its neck is broke.
Ew.
Watch us get attacked by like 1,000 birds.
No.
Look at its wing. I'm pretty sure it broke its neck. Because
I want
like,
to chop its head off.
me too. Some people may call us sick and demented, but we don't
This is
care.
kind of cool.
Well, okay, yeah. So, ow, my feet hurt.
Me too. Do you want to sit up here and like bring it up there?
No,
Why not?
because it would be close to me.
I wonder if that thing like stop them from like hearing us.
I don't know, but see.
Ew. If I touch it, will you give me $20?
No.
Mm-mm. That's a mosquito.
Ew. Look at that.
Don't you dare.
What am I going to? Now it's stuck.
Watch it have like rabies or something.
Rabies?
Yeah.
My stick is stuck. Oh, never mind.
Is that a baby bird?
Mm-hmm.
No. What? What if the mother comes? I would laugh. I would drown
Dude,
it.
you can't even like pop its eye out.
Look, there's a bird watching us.
Stupid bird. I'ma kill you next.
Yeah. Does it feel weird, like with the stick?
Mm-hmm.
There was a bird that was living in that cactus, and it was like, it had like one eyeball.
That's weird.
Oh, okay, now I get it.
I'm gonna. Dude, there's bugs all over this bird.
I know.
I think a cat might have gotten to it.
Maybe. Ew.
What if that's the mother?
Mm.
She would come in and check us.
Ew.
That looks gross. I think that's not supposed to be there.
I'm gonna touch it.
Hang on, I'm gonna see if I can cut it open.
Paige, you're touching a bug.
I think I just cut its skin.
That's cool. We're like dissecting it.
I know. A fly blew into my ear.
Ew.
And it made me jump. Okay, here. No! Yeah.
I want to try next. We
Is
should
that-
pray.
Pray.
No.
Dead bird.
I'm not gonna pray for a dead bird. It's
It's
dead. What are you gonna pray for? To have a good afterlife?
No, because I don't want the other baby birds dead because it's a baby bird.
What if it's the only baby bird?
Well, I don't know if it's an actual baby bird or not, but...
So like, is this his skin?
Yeah.
I want all the feathers off. You ever seen a baby bird that has no feathers?
No.
I have one on my phone.
What happened to that bird that was like watching us?
Ew.
I want to see what's inside of that bird.
Me too. That'd be kind of cool.
Mm-hmm. Die, birdie, die.
It's already dead.
I know. Die more. Okay, here.
Mm.
It's already dead.
I know, but die more.
Paige, seriously? Do you have to copy me?
This video is already 8 minutes. So this is what we do when we find a dead bird in the pool. Good boy.
Good